I cooked the chicken like this and the result was incredible. For this recipe, I'll need 2 chicken thighs and I'll start by making cuts like this. And tell me how you cook chicken at home because I'd love to know your recipe. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of butter to a pan. I'm going to let the butter melt. Now that the butter has melted, I'll add 2 tablespoons of sugar and stir until the sugar caramelizes. And our special hug today goes to Barbara Fullenkamp, who watches us from Indiana, Illinois, and loves our recipes. Thank you so much for your love, Barbara. At this point, I'm going to add our chicken thighs. Then I'll turn the thighs over so that they're fried on the other side and browned as well. And before I forget, tell me where you're watching us from so I can send you that special hug. Now I'll add salt to taste, garlic powder to taste, black pepper to taste, and half a teaspoon of paprika. I'll turn it over and season the other side too. And I'll repeat the process with the same ingredients. This recipe is wonderful, people. This chicken is simply delicious. At this point, I'll add an onion. And I'll put the lid on and let it cook for 5 minutes. After that, I'll uncover and add 2 chopped tomatoes. Now I'll put the lid on and let it cook for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, I'll add 2 eggs to a bowl and beat them very well. Finally, I'll add the beaten eggs to the pan, cover and cook for 5 minutes. After this time, I'll add parsley to taste. And our chicken is ready. Look how delicious it is, my loves. Remember to rate it because your opinion is very important to us. So that's it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed it, and until the next video, bye-bye.